It's another damp morning in the forest, but I found one of my favourite fungi to brighten up the day. This is scarlet elf cup, widespread across Britain and Ireland, found mostly on decaying logs on the forest floor, mainly in areas of high rainfall and often amongst the moss like this. Look how vibrant it is, isn't it beautiful? These are normally found in late winter, early spring, and fungi of course play an important role within our ecosystem. They help to recycle nutrients from dead and decaying matter, and they're a vital food source for many invertebrates, slugs, rodents. Although not poisonous, elf cups are considered inedible. They would have to be highly treated. But Native American tribes have used it medicinally to stop bleeding and promote healing, especially on the navels of newborn children. But perhaps my favourite thing about this fungi is that in European folklore it's said that the wood elves drink the morning dew from these cups. How cool is that? So when you're next out for a woodland walk, keep an eye out for this amazing fungi. You might be surprised where it turns up.